Remove the slave battery's jumper cables and disconnect the wires of the control switch from the power unit. Mount the control switch in a location so it can be reached while standing at the curb side of the truck. Install the protective rubber grommet in the dock bumper and route the wire through it. Next, reattach the control unit wires to the appropriate terminals. Refer to the installation manual for additional information. To prevent personal injury, Anthony Liftgate strongly recommends the installation of a power cutoff solenoid or an optional cab cutoff switch connection. Refer to the installation manual for additional information. Connect the long section of the power cable to the proper motor start solenoid. If needed, attach a ground strap the same gauge or larger than the liftgate power cable between the pump box and the truck frame. Route the power cable along the truck frame to the battery box, attaching it with plastic tie wraps or wire clips. Attach the cover of the pump box. If the cable is too long, cut it to the desired length. Reconnect the newly cut end to the fuse. If the power cable requires a new cable lug on the end, refer to the installation manual. Proper wire connection is crucial to the life and dependability of the liftgate's electrical components. A poor connection can result in low voltage, causing the liftgate to work improperly. Mount the fuse in a desired location. Route the short 3-foot section of cable into the battery box and connect the end to the positive post of the truck battery. Use the control switch to raise and lower the platform. Coat any terminal ends, studs, and nuts in the liftgate electrical system with a suitable corrosion-inhibiting lubricant. Do not apply petroleum-based lubricant to the liftgate motor start solenoid. Use only a dry film lubricant on this component. Replace the battery box cover and lock it in place.